this way. And watch the fence. It doesn't quite flip. Yeah, watch the turns. You got to kind of
gentle.
You got to rotate it a little bit, otherwise the fins don't. Andre remembers this. Watch the fin. We are going to strap it down, at least one strap. Yeah,
well, I got the center.
Yeah.
Something it changed balance all of a sudden. What happened? I don't know. Somebody wanted my attention for some reason.
It'd be bad when I have to use that screw gun to put my stir pins in. See, this is what I'm talking about here.
Lift it up.
No, no, that's if we broke it, put it in there, but it's in there.
No, that's the way it was. That's the way it
It
was.
stands out because these roll. And it's like this is a caster here.
Okay, well, I just saw it when it got upright, it moved that silver showed up.
Yeah, no, you didn't notice the time before. No, that's the way I
Hey,
The weight of the rocket is on it.
well, we've got it.
Who's got it?
Load your altimeters. Get this thing ready to go.
Who's got a block?
Bunch of this thing around, so when you brought it up, you took all the stress off the lugs.
Well, unfortunately, we're up. Get the electronics in. Let's go.
I'm having a hard time. It's just because the other stuff's on the way. I just hope everything got the way here. So,
No, maybe put his feet on the gas.
We have to turn.
Huh?
Y'all thought they'd take it out of park.
Dean. Okay, we're minutes from launch.
That's a big fear. Syracuse come through.
We still got big charges in there. Careful.
Yeah, motor's right here.
I wouldn't be grabbing it.
Yeah, it's probably hot. Don't grab it.
Cover the
It looks like it blew it right apart. So, well, we have no end piece here. Is there an end there? Is that gone?
yeah, it's gone.
So they got to be here somewhere.
Well, what about damage to the rocket other than this?
Wow, the smell.
It didn't look too bad.
No, this would be what we would call
Oh my God.
really cool flights.